Hello everyone, this is Ritesh from Dancing with Data क्योंकि data ही दादा है. Today we are going to start this series top 15 LOD expressions. Now this will be at the Tableau website itself. So I'll just try to simplify it. You will have the workbook, you will have the explanation. But if you're a beginner or achieve the medium level over there, I will try to simplify the explanation over there, and I hope it helps. Let's get started. But before we start, what is LOD? LOD means level of detail. So if you know that the default level of detail for any visualization is by default as per the level of granularity that you have selected. What I mean to say is that, for example, if I have region over there at columns, and if I want to analyze sales with respect to the same, so this is defined with the way you have selected, right? So if I drill down to state, now you see the sales with respect to state over there. So you have drilled down to state, the level of detail is there at with respect to the combination of region and state, right? So that's how it goes with the default Tableau level of detail. But every time we can't go with this one. For example, if I want to have percent of total of any particular state with respect to the overall sales across all the regions, so I need to have this value which is already there divided by, so I'll have to move across. I have to move across these partitions over there, right? And this is just one example to understand that we need some expressions over there that will help us to achieve that. So you use level of detail when you want to go out of the default level of detail that you have with Tableau. That's the reason you make use of LOD. So basically what is the used case over here? For example, it's simple. Here you can see you have customer names at columns. So each bar is a customer name. It shows that how many distinct orders were there with respect to that very particular customer. For example, if you just focus on the highlighted bars over there, it shows 18 marks. That means there were 18 customers who ordered 12 as quantity, right? So I want to turn this to like this, which can show one order, two order, three orders. So here we are trying to show that there are 18 customers who ordered 12 quantity. So I want to turn this. So if you see the number of customers over there into a measure like this. So that is our requirement over here. So let us do it from the scratch. So we have to turn this one. So we'll duplicate this one and we'll try to turn this to solution over there. So if you see at our solution rows, we have distinct count of customer names. So we want to have the customer names for sure. So what we'll do, we'll turn this to a different calculation altogether over there. Maybe instead of order ID, I can say customer name. Remember that we don't have customer ID over here, so we are assuming that all the customer names are distinct over there. So we don't want customer name over there. Instead, we want distinct count of order IDs per customer. So here we will, so let's do it. I will create calculated field from the scratch and I say fixed and I say customer name, and after that I say distinct count of the orders, and I can say, and we got the orders per customer here, and I say apply and I say okay. Now let me put it there. Now the understanding of concept is important over there, because initially it will come as a measure, and if you put it over there, right, first of all let me just remove the customer name there. We don't want that. So if I say orders per customer and if I just put it over there, it will be in the form of a measure, right? So in calculation inside, but this is in the form of a measure over there, right? So there is no difference between or just putting count D of order ID over there. There is no difference there. So if I just remove this and put it over there, you'll get the same answer over there, right? If I just put it back and back, you see the same answer over there. Both are same. There is no difference. But since you have made use of the LOD function, you have got the luxury to change this to a dimension. Let me change this to a dimension. Remove it and I'll go there, turn this to a dimension. So it will not aggregate. I don't want to aggregate those orders count over there. I wanted it this in this fashion. And now you can see if I just go back to my distinct count, if I again focus on this one, or maybe this time we can focus on this one. Here you can see there are 7 marks. There are 7 customers over there who ordered exactly 30. And if I go to solution, there are 7 who ordered exactly 13 over there, right? Fair enough. These many customers ordered exactly 30. And that's what we wanted to do. And that's how this LOD function has helped us to get to the solution of the problem. Remember that this blog is downloadable and this solution will be there at my YouTube description. So please feel free and let me know, did you like this series? If you like it, like this one, if you have liked this one, maybe we will try to cover the other 14 LOD expressions as well. So this is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data, क्योंकि डेटा ही दाता है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है.